What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Smash on the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a professional YouTube channel that you can monetize and make money from. Ensure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. And to do that, you need an email. So this is the name of the email, Samuel Favor. Click on your channel. You click on. You paste the picture and click on continue. This means you have just created a personal channel. You have just created a personal channel that will input your name. But what if you want to create business channel? Business channel is more advanced and professional than personal channel, because when you create a business channel, sometimes when you don't have access to the channel, you can still hire people to manage YouTube account for you. But if it is personal channel, nobody will be able to manage the channel for you. So that is why you have to choose the business channel. So how do you create the business channel? Create business channel, you log out of the YouTube app. Don't use the YouTube app, you don't need that. Then you head on to Chrome. You leave the YouTube app and just go to Chrome or Opera, any browser. I think Opera is the best. Because you have some settings that you need to do. But here I'll be using Chrome. I'll be using Google Chrome. Let me choose the email I choose the other time. So now, can you see I've chosen the email I choose the other time? So after choosing that email, then I will click on your channel. So when you click on channel, can you see it brings the name? So you just change the name, this name to the name of your channel. Just change this name to name of your channel. So let me say the name of my channel is, just for an example, let me say Health Tips. Health Tips. So then I click on create channel. Can you see, wow, this is a professional channel and this is a business channel. We have video. We don't have any video because we don't have any playlist yet. So what you have to do right now is to change this page to desktop site. Change it to desktop site. Good. Can you see? It gives us all the features we really need to see. We don't have any video yet. So here you can click on customize channel here to customize your channel. Can you see we have layout, video spotlight. You can leave this layout for now and click on branding. Then you have design logo. So the logo you want to design must follow these rules. Here. So it's recommended to use a picture that is at least 98 times 98 pixels and 4 MB or less. It must not be 5 MB upward. It must be 4 MB or less. And use a PNG or GIF, no animation. Fine. So that is what the rules for the logo you must upload. Same goes to the banner. The banner is what people see at the top of your YouTube channel, and it contains everything that you are doing, what your channel is about. And here the watermark area is where you can put the subscribe icon. Let me do that. I think I have a one subscribe icon that I can use. Let me do that. So this is a subscribe icon. You can download it on free sites like Pixabay, or you can edit it through using Canva as well. Can you see I just put that button and I can put it at the end of my video, or I want to select entire video. I just pick entire video right there, so it will appear on all my videos. But the truth about this is that it won't show when people are watching your video with smartphone. This subscribe will not show until they are using system or desktop. When you're using desktop, the subscribe button will show, and the people can click on it to subscribe to your channel. That is why it is essential. It will increase the number of your subscribers. And here you can put banner here. Banner, I don't create any banner for this video, so but you have to follow this pixel and make sure you do your banner. I don't have logo too, so I think you understand how to do that. Now come to info and click on description. Here you can just type anything that relates to your channel. Can you see the name of the channel is 8 tips? So that means this channel I will be uploading different videos that we talk on health, maybe physical health, physical fitness and so on, weight loss and so on and so forth, and other ethnic related topic. So that is what I'll be teaching on this channel, just for an example. So that is what I will put in the description box. I will just type anything that is related to my channel and I'm good to go. Let's zoom back. So you can also add language. Come here and add language. Put the language, select the language, come to language translation, depending on the country you are, or depending on your language. So I will choose English. As for me, I will choose English. You can also write your channel name, enter your channel name here. Enter your channel name here, put your description. Original language as well should be English as for me. But if assuming your channel is for maybe you're you are in another country and your channel you are speaking your own language, so you can choose your language here, and that is it about that. So let's cancel this. Let's cancel that. Now here, this is the link. You can copy this link. This is the link that you will share to people so that people can subscribe to your channel. This is your subscribe link. Just click here to copy the link and share it with people, so anybody that click on the link you have access to your channel and can subscribe directly to your channel And make sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any part of this video. This is how you can create a professional YouTube account for yourself and start to make money with YouTube today. Now you can add link. This link is, you can add link to your social media pages, maybe your Facebook page, your Instagram page, and so on. Just click on add link and you can add link. So when you add the link, just type the name. You have to put the name of the link here. Maybe I want to put Facebook link, so I will type Facebook and put the link to my Facebook account or to my page. I put it here, and this will appear to all my subscribers or anybody that come to my channel. In the about section of my channel, it will appear, all the links will appear, and we have access to click the link to go to my Facebook page or to my Facebook account. You can also add more than that, and here you will select the number of links that you want your audience to see. So you can select the first 5, you can select the first 2, you can select the first 3, but I usually prefer the first 5 because maybe you want to add Instagram, LinkedIn, and the likes. So that is that about that. And here you want to put your email address. Your email address will allow people to contact you for business, maybe when they need your services. So you can put your email, your valid email here, just to name at gmail.com. It can be the name, it can be your personal Gmail, or it can be the Gmail that you use to open the YouTube account. It can be the email you use to open the YouTube account. So I'm sure you are enjoying this video. I'm sure you are really enjoying this video. So after that, you just click on publish. But I've not complete all these things that I have here. Assuming I've completed, so I could click on publish. Let me delete this. So now, as soon as I type here now, I will click on publish. So after I click on publish, all the details I put here will appear on the about section of my channel. You can click here to view your channel. You can click here to view your channel directly, but I'm not doing that right now. The next settings that you really have to do right now is to come down here, and this is the important aspect. Click on the settings icon. It is loading. Make sure you watch this video to the very end and share this video to your friends. Comment and like this video. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. That's all I need from you. It is free to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Now you can put the currency in dollars. I like dollars. Even as I'm in Nigeria, I like to make money in dollars, so I will choose dollars. It depends on the currency you are using in your country. If you're in Nigeria, you can choose naira, but I prefer to choose dollar instead. So now you can zoom your phone in and click on channel. When you click on channel, you can see basic info. This is basic info. So here you select the countries of your residence. I'm in Nigeria. We choose Nigeria for this. I will choose Nigeria for this. So I will choose the country where you are currently based. So it depends on the country you are based. So, and put your keyword. The keyword here is what your channel is all about. So as I want to type keyword, I will type something like health tips. I type something like health tips here. Then enter your phone. Then put another thing like weight loss. Enter, and so on. Just put anything, all the tags that is related to your channel. Just pick all the tags that are related to your channel there, and you are good to go. So after that, before you click on save, go to the advanced settings here. You will see the advanced settings. So you see the advanced settings somewhere here. Click on the advanced settings and come here and choose. This place is very, very important, so that's why you want to watch closely. Do you want your channel to be made for kids? So here you have to choose. I want to review these settings for every video. It is preferable you should select what you are offering, because this channel is on ethnic. So, and if I'm to talk about ethnic is mainly for the older ones. It's not for the younger ones. It's not for kids. So I will choose no. Set this channel as not made for kids. This channel is not made for kids because I want to talk about ethnic. As I want to talk about baby games, baby something. I can choose the kids channel, so I can choose the kids aspect and click on it. Now you can allow automatic caption, but I don't really like that. You can allow the number of your subscribers to display. If you don't want the number of your subscribers to display to your audience, you can uncheck it here. But if I want that, I'll just mark it. It is good. You can do that. Then allow viewers to clip my content. Allow user to clip my content. If you select this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content. The existing clip of your content will be disabled. Starting this option, again will enable existing clip of your content. So you can leave that and come here to future eligibility. So this aspect is also important. So that you won't lack some things that YouTube will offer you. So you have to complete all these features. Now we have standard features, and this one is enabled. Now you have to confirm these international features to be enabled. To do this, you have to confirm your phone number. Your phone number will let people know you are a real person. Just click on verify phone number, then put in the phone number. Let me try it right now. But I won't input any phone number. So can you see it take me to here? I can put my phone number. So I put Nigeria, then you put your phone number here. After I've pressed put your phone number here, then click on get code. So let me go back. So when you click on get code, and when you get the code, just put the code there, then your phone number will be verified immediately. You have to do this because if you don't do this, you won't be able to post video longer than 15 minutes. So you have to verify your phone number. And here to the advanced features, too, you can leave this for now. And start uploading, and you can still do this after you have completed your phone number verification. Now, after all the settings, just click on save. Click on save. Just click on, can you see changes saved? These are the essential parts where you have to set up. You want to upload videos. You want to upload the videos to your channel. You come here and click on upload videos. When you click on upload videos, then you select file. When you select file, then you come here and select file. You select the video you want to upload. So, and make sure you read YouTube terms and conditions. If you are new to that, make sure you read their terms and conditions. It's important for you to know that. And after doing all these settings, you can now go back to your YouTube app and start uploading videos. I'm sure you will enjoy this video. Subscribe right now, turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. See you in the next video.